pet trend for life or just for lockdown? Let's ask Ross Gerber, President and CEO of Gerber Kawasaki. Hi Ross, thanks for joining us. Now, is pet care really an investable sector, or is this just a sexier way to talk about consumer staples giants who happen to make pet food?
Yeah, it's funny you brought up those companies because we specifically avoid those for our pet investments because they're so diversified and the actual pet side of their business is not that large relative to the overall company. But when you look at the pet industry, I have never seen an industry with well, that's not true. There's a couple other industries, but it is in our top industries of growth and potential. We have never lost money in the pet industry, and I think the momentum's even gaining speed, not losing.
Of course, pet ownership boomed during the pandemic, but animal shelters now say there's been a spike in people giving animals up. So is the pet boom passing?
No, I think that you read these things. The bottom line is the demand for pets is off the charts. It's an emotional reaction to several things. One, people are getting married later and they're having children later, so they're replacing that with pets. And secondly, a lot of people are divorced, and as they get older, they want companionship, and they've replaced a spouse with pets, and they have all this excess love. And with that excess love, it's going into the pet care industry, anywhere from the supplements and things to keep your pet healthy to just high end food. I mean, just the food there people are feeding their dogs. In a lot of cases, like in Los Angeles, the animals are living better than many of the humans. So, we entered a stage where we believe pets are humans and we treat them as such and we spend as much money as such. And that's a huge opportunity for investors.
But how exactly are people spending that money on their pets? Which companies are the best bets?
Well, where we're invested in, and also invested in my fund GK, is first of all in the retail and animal wellness. We just took a big investment in Petco, which just went public. Petco is a great retailer, and they've pivoted. They still do the services, and they have a great online business, but they've pivoted more toward pet health and health care, which I think is a better business for them. And they really have a great store and online model. We have an investment in Chewy, which is basically just the online marketplace, and it's a subscription model that people are buying their pet, whether it be food or other things that, toys and such. And then we have an investment in Zoetis, and that's really about drugs and healthcare. So we're a little bit more focused on the healthcare side of the pets, because basically if your pet breaks a leg, they take care of it. Your pet has cancer, they take care of it. Now, it used to be your pet just died, So all this healthcare is really, really profitable and a great business to be in because everybody wants to take care of their pets.
Thanks so much for that. That was Ross Gerber, founder and CEO of Gerber Kawasaki.